risk manager for the International Space Station, and so we have a sort of a qualitative process we do and a quantitative process. So I'll sort of give some context of what the space station program is and my job, and where we've been and where we're going, and then talk about these two processes that we do to implement risk management on our program. And then I'll give sort of a mini case study on the Space Shuttle Columbia and the accident we had February 1st, 2003, and talk about sort of lessons learned from that. So a lot of what I find is when I talk to other people in risk management, it's the same themes, the same challenges, wherever you go in the risk management. Like I remember I went to Toronto last year and talked to this blood safety conference, or blood safety risk conference. And you think, oh, I don't know anything about blood supply, and HIV, but the same lessons and the challenges are there no matter what kind of risk management you're doing.
I understand this is your fourth Opus user conference, so long-time customer. Tell me what it is that you're looking forward to learning here at this show.
Well, significantly, the 6.0 upgrade, the features, what it's going to take to get upgraded. It's a major jump on Cognos, and so we want to know, we want to understand the impact to our reports, what kind of time frame we need to plan on for getting the reports remediated once we upgrade, and what other features are included with 6.0, that kind of stuff. That's probably the first thing on our list.
Have you already been a Cognos / IBM business intelligence user before this? Or?
Yes, we've done a significant number of our reports we developed ourselves, so we're anxious for the new technology.
So what are you looking forward to learning about at Opus this year?
I think the most thing is what 6.0 has to offer. We're currently on 5.5, so moving to 6.0 and seeing what that environment has to offer us in terms of what we do for our company.
So I joined ICAP about 4 months ago, and my role is the operational risk from the business side. So I would work on both the reporting side and doing different desk assessments, and we would utilize OpenPages to create the reports and store data, and as well as input the assessments and generate reports.
Okay.
I work in IT. I'm based in London, while Rob is based in New York. I look after the risk and compliance system for ICAP, for the voice world. And OpenPages is a bit of an oddity because it's actually based in operational management of risk rather than IT. And why we're here is trying to kind of bridge the gap between the two areas, between risk, which is managed OpenPages, and the rest of IT, which is to do compliance and risk, and kind of work together.
Okay. So what about some of the things that you might hear today from OpenPages around the IBM side of the integration with business analytics? Is that something that you are actively engaged in within your risk management strategies, applying that kind of reporting and intelligence?
Well, reporting is very key to our organization at the moment for a number of reasons. Regulatory, both in the US and the UK, compliance and regulatory issues are becoming probably one of the top priorities items on the agenda, and consistent reporting is key. So I think reporting from my point of view and how is that getting better with OpenPages is quite key to understand how that works, because we're looking at reporting strategies for our organization, not just for compliance or risk, but for other type of MI, and we want to obviously trying to find the best solution for our needs, and we're looking at OpenPages and how can actually fit that kind of gap.
And certainly from my end, as far as the business analytics side, doing different key risk indicators, trying to we store the data in OpenPages and generate the reports and distribute to management to let them know about what we're seeing as far as data and how it could affect the business. So using OpenPages to kind of understand and store the data is, and do that better is something that we would like to get out of this from this conference today.
I think that's, if in fact it melds well, it's a very powerful position to be in, because our organization, the relatively large organization, has a lot of people already versed in BI tools and IBM, and we actually have a contract with IBM, so special provider. So by leveraging that what is for us a relatively standard BI platform, we can take advantage of all of those resources that are already in-house, and we don't have to go looking outside for help with more of a proprietary organization. So that was really a key piece for us. Selecting OpenPages was that we had the power that they provide in the application
The database has been set up exactly as
from an operational risk space, and then all of this internal resourcing we can pull from.
That's correct.
Look at Watson School.
He never gets any questions wrong.
No.
Answer. What is Watson?
Yeah, he does.
Does he really?
Yeah.
You're
He
up.
got one wrong
Choose a clue from
when
the
I was
board.
playing. That's the only way I got it.
He got one wrong.
You're up. Choose a clue from the board.
So how did we get 20
At 7.
I don't know. Because he got one wrong.
We started with 29.
Yeah, they give you.
Once. Who is
Once
showtime?
it says buzz, if you know the answer, you have to just let it
You're up. Choose a clue.
go. Okay, we're going to get one of these.
Ketchup. Your response.
You won? I got one! What's the answer? Does anyone know the answer? Oh, no.
Judges.
Did we get it right?
Nobody said.
No, say no.